Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to delete blank pages in MS Word. First, head to the view and click on the multiple pages. And in the view tab, you can see that I have two blank pages. So in the first method, again click on the view and click on the navigation pane. On the left side, navigation pane window will be open up. Now click the blank page third and hit the delete button on the keyboard. Then the blank page will be removed. So in the second method, and now press the Ctrl G to open the find and replace box. Click on the page, and so in the enter page number box, you need to type backslash, type page and click on to go to. Then your cursor will move to the blank page and then close it, and now hit the delete button to remove it. And here it is. So this way you can easily delete blank pages in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.